Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a spooky mani using two colors from Krival Nails. The first one here is called Magic Mushrooms and it's a beautiful shimmery orange glitter dip, and it's a fine glitter. They're like micro glitters and they color shift between dark orange and it is super stunning and it looks amazing in the sunlight as well. And then we have Mystic Willow, which is a beautiful chunky fine glitter mix, and it shifts between purple, orange, blue, green. It is the most beautiful glitter I have used in a long time and I'm absolutely in love with it. And then we're just going to be using White Russian for some transfer foil decals that we're going to be using towards the end. So we are going to be doing the gel method for today's mani. I'm going to be using the Krival gel base top coat, and then we're going to be using this awesome new cuticle precision tool. So it has a wax tip on one end and then a cuticle cleanup tool on the other. And let me tell you, I'm in love with this. It is really good quality. It is not sharp, so that a lot of times when I buy these, the point is super sharp and I don't use them. I only use one other one. So I'm really glad that I am trying the Krival one because the point on it is amazing. It does not hurt at all when you're cleaning your cuticle line area. And it's super well made quality and it's very sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap at all. So it's really easy to work with and I'm absolutely loving it. And I really like the packaging of the cuticle precision tool as well. So right now, since we are doing the gel method, I'm just going in and I'm applying the gel base over all the nails, and then we're going to go ahead and get into the powders. Now, when I'm doing the gel method, I do a lot of pour over or I dip directly into the cupcake liner because you do not want to disturb that gel base that you just put on the nail. So I'm going to go ahead and let you continue watching this mani process, and then I'll pop back in when it's time to do some transfer foils. now that we're done filing and buffing, it's time to go ahead and place that transfer foil on the nail. Now you could totally leave this nail as is, or you could go ahead and jazz it up with some nail art. So we are going to be using this little spider web transfer foil here. And I'm super excited to show you how I do my transfer foils. So I use this Macart transfer foil art gel, and what you do is you apply it to the entire nail just like you would when you are applying your gel base or your gel top coat. You just want to make sure that you are taking your time and making sure that you're getting it over the entire nail so you really have a good transfer foil application. Then you go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. Now I wait about 30 seconds or more before I go ahead and place that transfer foil onto the nail there. You can see I cut the transfer foil out and now I'm just pressing it down gently on the nail, and you want to make sure that you're really rubbing that transfer foil into the nail. So I like to wait that 30 seconds because it works a lot better for me. It cools down versus if I go in directly with that transfer foil right after I take it out of the curing light. So that's why I wait that 30 seconds or so. And in that time, I'll go ahead and cut out that transfer foil. Now watch this. We're going to go ahead and boom. Look at that transfer foil. That's how easy it is. You just rub it on your nail and then you just make sure that it's laying as flat as it can be. And then I gently took that orange cuticle stick and gently rubbed that transfer foil onto that nail. And there it is. I didn't have any patchiness or any spots that were missing that transfer foil. It came out perfectly, and honestly I think it's due to me waiting those couple extra seconds before I go in directly with that transfer foil, because I was having the hardest time with transfer foils because I was going in directly after I cured it and it was not working. I wasn't getting the full image, and then it just was not looking good. And then if you don't get the full image, you will have to gently buff off that image and then restart the process. So to finish up this mani, I'm just going to go in with the Krival gel top coat. Now if you experience any flaking or peeling after you do your mani, then you want to do an extra step. You will go in and do a gel base first, cure that for 30 seconds, and then go in with the top coat. So that's how I do my transfer foils. And I'm telling you right now, I really like how this came out. I think Mystic Willow is the perfect glitter. And there's something about the gels from Krival Nails where I don't break into any of those glitters when I'm filing and buffing. And I'm obsessed with it. So now we're going to go ahead and finish this mani using the cuticle oil from Krival Nails, which is amazing. She has several different scents. I'll go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this mani, and I'll see you soon in our next spooky mani. Have a spooky day. Bye.